Hello, RLB, and everyone over there at Vision Home Remodeling. Hi, my name is Charles Marine. I work with Wally Digital. We're a small company that helps small businesses draw in more clients by boosting their online presence. Why is this important? Because these days, about 90% of adults, if they don't know the name of a company and they're looking for a local service like yours, they will go to Google. 70% of those people will click on this first page of Google for their result and go directly to one of the companies. That's why it's important to be on this very first page of Google. And what we do as a company is help you get there. So the 3 tips I'm going to share with you today, and you can take these tips, no harm, no foul, if you do not want to work with me. Take them to your website person, your SEO person, and have yourself ranking, getting up there, and hopefully getting more visible in front of your clients so you can grow your business. Well, the 3 things I want to talk about today are content, citations, and backlinks. Now, content is everything you can see that I have highlighted on the front on your page. Everything in blue. This is all the text. Whatever the images are saved as, Google will read this, and that's why it's important to save your pictures with keywords. And I'm going to get to keywords in a second. But when Google scours the internet, wanting to bring websites in front of potential clients, it's important to optimize with them. And one way to do that is to have enough authoritative text on the front of you on your homepage. Now, for your homepage, it's advisable to optimize with Google to have between 1,000 to 1,500 words of text. And I can see actual text, I think you have probably a little bit above 500. So it's important to have authoritative text that shows what you do, who you are, where you're located, and your services, etc. It's also important to have relevant keywords saturated within that text. And now by keyword, what I mean is what people type into Google to look for your services. So let's say I'm looking to install an outdoor kitchen. Typically, someone would search outdoor kitchens Los Angeles, and in the results section, first thing you see are Google ads. These ads are primed to go along with this keyword, whoever's written these ads. Second section is called the map pack, which I'll talk about in a few minutes. And then the third section here are the organic Google listings, which I will also talk about. So having good keywords, and let me give you an example of why keywords are important. There is a tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool that's out there, which helps explore different websites. Now, if I type in outdoor kitchens Los Angeles and I use my keyword explorer, I can tell how much traffic each domain is getting from that keyword. So, first of all, the first result, extreme backyards, they appear first in this organic section. They're getting about 18 people going to the website because of that, because of their position. Second position, almost landscape, get about 7 people per month going to their website because of that one keyword. Let's make sure they're here. Osmo landscape. Grillnetics is third. Once again, Ahrefs is not 100% accurate, but it's very accurate. That's why they have this mixed up with second and third position. But in any case, Vision Home Remodeling is all the way down here. You're ranking at 19. That's probably the third page of Google. And that's why the volume you're getting coming to you because of that one keyword is less. So if you were to improve the text on your website saturated with this keyword, improve your backlinks and citations and other things about your website, you'd be able to grab a lot more traffic coming to your website because of this one keyword. Now, if we analyze your competitor and look at their keywords, they have about 5,000 that they're ranking for. Outdoor kitchens and patios, about 1,000 people search for that per month. Their traffic is 140 people because they're on the third position in the search results. Grills San Diego, 600 people search for that per month, which I'm sure you do deal with Grills in San Diego. Their position is 5th, and they're getting about 47 coming to their website because of that. Now, if your conversion rate is high, maybe even 50% from the people who come to your website, call you, and then finally close as a client, then it would really benefit you to be ranking higher for these kinds of keywords. And so it's pretty easy to go into each of your competitors' keyword profile, and then find out the keywords they're ranking for, then start to rank for them on your own website. It does take a few months to get there, but eventually you will have more and more clientele coming because of the keywords you put on your website. Second thing I want to mention is citations. Now, citations have to do with this array here, which I call the map pack, where you have a map and 3 different companies. How do you rank here? Well, it all has to do with citations. Citations is anywhere on the internet that your company is listed, your name, address, or phone number listed exactly as they appear on Google in different directories online. And by directories, I mean like Yelp. And I see you listed quite a few at the bottom of your website here. Facebook, I see Angie's List, Yelp, House, Build Zoom, Better Business Bureau. All those are good directories, authoritative directories. So the more authoritative, good directories you're cited in, the higher you'll appear in the map pack. The third thing I wanted to talk about, let me get that back to normal, is this third section here, the organic listings, and it has to do with backlinks. What backlinks are anywhere on different web pages that your site is linked to. It's directing traffic to your site. For example, if there's a forum on house renovations in South California, and there's a blog post written with your website there, that's considered by Google as an authoritative backlink. Not all backlinks are the same. For example, if Pizza Hut is linking to you, now you guys are in a different business. If Google sees that, it will see it as a spammy link, and it won't count as strong for you. Just back to my Site Explorer, I want to analyze your competitors' backlinks and then go and show you what your backlinks look like. So here we go. Your competitor has about 2,950 backlinks. However, they may not all be good backlinks. For example, here I can look at each and every one of the backlinks. I can see that, let's see, backyard design, refrigeration. So a lot of them they might have something to do with what they do, but they might not be as strong as backlinks. So the way to beat your competitors is to come in, analyze their backlinks, and make sure you have equal or higher power backlinks. It does not have to be as many, as long as they're more authoritative. On a scale from 0 to 100, you can see here most of the backlinks are from 0 to 10. So it would be important to get higher quality backlinks to be able to beat your competitor. Now I want to go back to you 1 second and take a look at your backlinks. You have about 114, and the quality, well, you have a higher percentage that are better quality. However, what this would mean to be able to beat a competitor, I would analyze your backlinks and have them built more, add more and more every month, and higher quality. Therefore, you'll be able to rank better for your with your keywords. These are all the keywords you're ranking for. SoCal home remodels, about 70 people search for that per month. You get 0 traffic, but because you're in 52, your position 52, which is close to maybe the 15th page of Google. So if you work on building your content and your citations and your backlinks, you'll be able to rank higher for all your keywords and more once you increase your content, and therefore get more traffic coming to your website. And I'm sure you could use even, hey, 50 more clients coming to you and you close 25 of them. That would help you, I'm pretty sure, for what you guys do. So once again, my name is Charles Marine. This is my company, Warley Digital. My contact information is here if you'd like to give me a call, if you want to work together. And like I said before, if you hand this over to someone else, you don't want to work with me, no harm, no foul. Thank you very much for watching my video.